Number 5. Okay, we're looking at this data. We're trying to find the curve of best fit. What's going to work best? Well, you have a couple. Okay, we have exponential growth where things grow very quickly, they shoot up super fast, or exponential decay where they start decaying very quickly, or you have logarithms where it's growing but not very fast. Well, look at the numbers 0, 0.46, 0.74. It's growing. Is it growing quickly? No. That tells me I know this is going to be a log problem. So it's going to be like y equals some number. Who knows what it is? Let's go 2.1 times the log of x. That's what it's probably going to be. Now, again, I don't know the number. That's what we're going to figure out. We're going to go to Desmos. So let's do that and put in the data. I go to Desmos. Now, I've already entered the data, already put the table in. So to do the table, if you're not sure, you hit the plus key, hit the table. I've already entered it. And we can look at the data and we see, hey, yeah, that looks like a logarithm. Perfect. So I come here and I'm going to enter now to say, hey, I want you to look at my data and find me the curve of best fit. So we start off with y. I then hit the button 1 for sub 1. It'll automatically go to that. It'll automatically, when you hit y1, it knows that you're saying, hey, look at my data. So that's what we're doing. Let me move that out of the way. And now I want to put my little squiggly. Now you can do it I always do it on the keyboard and hit shift and hit it there on the top left. You can come in here, ABC, and she's right here down at the bottom, that little squiggly there. Okay. I now need to put in an A. So I'm going to put in my A. Notice now it's saying, hey, we're going to do some statistics here. We're going to find you a line here. I now need to say times, so I like to go back and hit multiply by. I need the log. I got to pull up the log. Where's the log? It's going to be under these functions. So I hit functions and scroll down to calculus is where it's under. Makes you scared right there, doesn't it? There it is, log. And then I'm going to say X, but I got to say you're reading my data. So I need to put the 1. So I put the 1, I close my parentheses. It draws a line for me. And look, let me get this out of the way. It hits all those things perfectly, right through the dead center. It looks like a perfect fit. It's almost a perfect fit. Our R squared isn't a 1. A 1 means a perfect fit, but this guy's pretty stinking close, 0.999, almost perfect. There's one point that maybe is a touch off. All right, so it tells me my A value is a 1.55162. You should enter the whole thing. I'm going to forget those numbers. I'm not going to remember it when I go back here in a second. So the equation is going to be y1 y equals 1.55162 times the log of x. So we're going to say it's y equals 1.55 whatever, 1692 I think, times the log of x. That equation is the best fit for this data right here for problem 5.